I watched him struggle to make this review for like 30 minutes. It took one.
Hi, so let me just share with you how much Vice Cosmetics loves theater company. Let me just share with you how much Vice tawag dito. Ano ba? Okay, so let me just share with you how much Vice loves theater companies. Last na to. Okay.
So let me just share with you guys how much Vice Cosmetics loves the theater community and how much we are going to support them as well. It's not that hard.
I will post this. Anyway, so they gave us a budget and we're free to pick sa mga ano ba? Pwede lang mag-shoot ako ng video.
So they gave us a budget and we can choose from any of their product lines. Sean here chose to get makeup tools instead because he still has some Vice Cosmetic products from his previous productions. Right now, what he got, of course, was this Vice Cosmetic sponge. So good. We've used like how many of these already. The rest of these are going to be the sculpting, like the...
No, these, for your information, these are liners. I mean, I've got 3. Oh.
They're brushes.
Wait, where are the liners? Okay, do it again.
Aside from the sponges, Sean also made sure to complete his makeup kit with brushes here.
Oh yeah.
The Vice Cosmetic brushes are actually really one of the best in the local market. I think these came out a few years ago, but they're still really good. My favorite though, personally for me, Sean maybe also. This is why he got 2. He got 2 of the foundation brushes, so this is really good. It's like an angled blending foundation brush. Okay, aside from that, Sean also got some lip liners here.
That's not lip. Is it lip? No, that's eyeliners. Liners.
Sean also got some eyeliner, so perfect for if he ever needs like a tight line
Or when I do drag again.
Yeah, cool. And then, of course, what are these? He also got of course, theater community, theater actors. What do they need? Setting spray. Ayun. Setting spray, very good. 24-hour lock-in technology.
Let's just show them everything. That was so good. Guys, my overthinking ass cannot do this fast. He's so good. I'll just show you how much
I watched him struggle to make this review for like 30 minutes. It took one.
Thank you. Thank you, Vice Cosmetics. We love you.